Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jim from Masagada Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatingin natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a Seven Archangels urgent message for the sign of Cancer. Yan. So Cancer, Cancer, Cancer. Welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads na may pagpalain ka ng Diyos at may kapasiksik tiglig na umapaw ang bumalik sa inyo. Umpisahan na natin ang laban. Angel Spirit Messages for the sign of Cancerian. Ano kaya ang pinaka-messages sa'yo ng ating mga gabay? There's an Eight of Pentacles about sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, no? Mag-focus ka daw dyan. And of course, there's a Wheel of Fortune. There's a turning event. Something na parang, iikot na yung kapalaran into your favor, no? Para pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho mo, kumbaga maaaring, pag ikaw nagtatrabaho, maaaring magkakaroon ka ng recognition or something na pagtaas ng pwesto, no? Or parang promotions, ganon. And of course, there's a Wheel of Fortune, parang may swerteng papasok dito with the Five of Swords. Five of Swords is a self-sabotage. Mag-ingat ka, no? Kumbaga, baka sumakit ang ulo mo, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay na parang nagkakaroon ka ng rejection or pagsisisi or disappointment, no? Additional messages. And of course, there's an high priestess, there's an hidden agenda or hidden enemies or there's an unexpected moment, no? Kumbaga sinasabi dito na kailangan i-clear out mo yung mga bagay-bagay para no more doubts, no more regret, and of course sinasabi dito maging mahinahon, no? Sa pagdidesisyon. And of course, there's a Ten of Wands. Some of you may relocations or paglipat ng bahay, no? Some of you baka may bibiling kang bahay o may papagawa ka, no? So let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there is a Six of Wands. There's a victory and success. So, this is the time na, kumbaga, papabor na sa'yo ang kapalaran na baka nga makabili ka na ng bahay at magkakaroon ka na ng paglipat-lipat dito. So, what is the Eight of Pentacles? And of course, there's a Fool card. The Leap of Faith. Magtiwala ka sa presence of progress, no? Magtiwala ka sa ginagawa mo. Mag-focus ka dyan. And you being dedicated dyan sa ginagawa mo, mas lalong nag-grow at mas lalo ka magkakaroon ng expansion. So, let's see what is the Wheel of Fortune. There's a Ten of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin ng Wheel of Fortune dito, there is a bless. So, ibig sabihin may swerte, no? And of course, there's a Ten of Pentacles. Sinasabi na magkakaroon ka ng long-term success and long-term investment. Ibig sabihin pang matagalang success to tea. And of course, there's a solid foundation na magdadala sa'yo ng pang matagalang tagumpay. So, ibig sabihin dito, maaaring madagdagan na resource of income mo or something na bukang lalaki yung resource of income mo. So, what is the Five of Swords? So, there's a Death card. There's an ending and a new beginning, no? Tapusin mo na yung kinai-stressan mo, tapusin mo na yung iniisip mo, tapusin mo na yung mga bagay na hindi nakakatulong sa'yo, hindi nagsaserve sa'yo, no? There's a transformation. Baguhin mo na yung sarili mo. Huwag ka kasi nagbibigay ng information sa ibang tao, lalo-lalo na sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi, tinatrader ka, suddenly kumukuha ng information sa'yo, tapos i-chismis sa iba, parang ganon. So, what is the High Priestess? And of course, there's a Strength card. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a strongest energy. Kumbaga, labanan mo ng takot at pangamba mo, no? Kumbaga, kailangan maging makapal yung mukha mo dito. Parang sinasabi na, kailangan mong humarap sa takot at, kumbaga, kinakatakutan mo or something na pinangangambahan mo, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, may mga biglaang desisyon o may mga biglaang eksena na kumbaga pagbabago, no? Mag-ingat lang kasi may mga tao sa paligid mo na nagbabalat kayo. So, what is the Ten of Wands? What is the Ten of Wands? So, there's Seven of Pentacles. A long-term success and long-term investment. Ibig sabihin dito, magkakaroon ka na ng harvest time. Baka nga talaga makabili ka na ng bayan, makalipat ka na. So, what is the Six of Wands? Six of Wands represent the Ace of Wands. A new beginning, no? A new beginning and of course, information na may mga bagong plano na may isa sa katuparan, no? And you are being on the spotlight. Kumbaga, nandiyan ka na sa momentum na yan, no? Kumbaga nandiyan ka na sa, kumbaga, parang artista lang yan. Kumbaga, nandun ka na sa kasikatan, nandun ka na sa kasaganahan. So, ibig sabihin, take these opportunities, no? Kumbaga, wag mo nang palagpasin pa. Parang ganun sinasabi dito. What is the Eight of Pentacles in the full card? There's an Eight of Swords, no? Kailangan mong kumawala sa mga negativity. Kailangan mong kumawala sa mga toxic, no? So, what is the Wheel of Fortune in that of Pentacles? There's a King of Wands. Being control. Kailangan maging kontrolado ka sa emotions mo, sa mga plano mo, sa mga gusto mong gawin. Kumbaga, there's a solid foundation. So, what is the Five of Swords in the Death card? There's the Lovers. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ka ng self-sabotage. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, mag-ingat ka pagdating sa relasyon, no? Kumbaga, wag mong masyadong, kumbaga, parang inilalantad sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Kasi some of you, minsan nadadaot ka, minsan naaagawan ka, some of you, parang nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage nga. Parang nangyayari kasi, kumbaga, laging naaagaw ng friend or something na sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mong maging secure about sa love life, no? So, what is the High Priestess and the Strength card? And of course, there's a Seven of Swords. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a sneakiness and cheating, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi na mag-ingat ka, maraming trader, maraming manluloko sa paligid mo. Kumbaga, minsan hindi mo ina-expect kung sino pa yung taong pinagkakatiwalaan mo, siya pa yung taong, di ba, magbabackfire sa'yo. So, let's see what is the Ten of Wands and of course the Seven of Pentacles. There's a Hierophant. There's a separation. Some of you may hiwalay ang eksena dito or some of you there's some separate with your family or something na, kumbaga, this is the moment na kailangan mo na bumukod or something. Or there's a Hierophant na lesson learned. No? May mga bagay na matututunan ka na dito. So, what is the Six of Wands and the Ace of Wands? What is the Six of Wands and the Ace of Wands? And of course, there's a King of Pentacles, security about sa finances. Kumbaga, kailangan na maging secure ka habang kalakasan ng kita or kalakasan ng finances mo, kailangan mo mag-ipon, kailangan mo magtabi, kailangan mo mag-invest. So, let's see what is the outcome. The World card. So, ibig sabihin dito, maraming ganap, there's a trouble either. And of course, there's a past person coming back. May babalik dito galing sa ibang bansa o may galing dito sa mga kapatid mo or pamilya mo or something na uuwi. There's an homecoming rather. At sinasabi sa'yo dito na merong, kumbaga, communications. And of course, there is a Three of Pentacles, collaborations. Na magkakaroon talaga kayo ng collaborations and of course, commitment or parang heart-to-heart talk or something na harapan, ganon. May uuwi or magta-travel ka, some of you. Let's see what is the Archangel. Michael messages. Positive thoughts create a positive outcome. So, being optimistic. Kailangan maging positive ka para yung magiging maganda ang outcome ng eksena mo. A favorable outcome. At papabor na raw sa'yo ang kalalabasan ng eksena na to. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. There's a boat. Closure issues. May mga bagay na matatapos na dito. May uuwi talaga. And of course, there's a passion, no? Parang there's an having fun. Mag-enjoy ka kung ano man yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay mo, di ba? And of course, sinasabi rin dito, there's the golden mirror, no? Kumbaga, there's a one-sided relationship. Kumbaga, meron dito narcissism na parang gusto tanggap lang ng tanggap, ganito, ganyan. Kumbaga walang pinag-exam makasarili, parang gano'n. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, umiiwas ka sa mga taong ganyan, no? So, let's see what is, Yin and Yang Oracle card. Celebration. Wow, there's a gift and abundance coming in for you. And of course, there's a distance. Meron talagang, kumbaga sinasabi, lumayo-layo ka sa mga taong narcissism, no? Kumbaga yung mga parasite or something. And of course, kailangan mo rin, there's a distance na parang may uuwi, no? At kailangan mo rin talaga kumawala sa mga negativity. And of course, there's solid foundation. Wow, ito may sinasabi ng long-term and long-term investment. A solid foundation. Parang kailangan mong pumorma ng bagay na alam mong hindi matitibag at the end of the time. So, let's see what is the chakra messages. What is this chakra? Isolation. You're feeling isolation. So, parang hindi ka makakilos, hindi ka makagalaw. Parang feeling mo stress ka or something na hindi mo maintindihan yung sarili mo. Confusion. Oh, see? Di ba? There's a confusion. Hindi mo maintindihan yung sarili mo. Parang ang gulo-gulo ng eksena, parang ang gulo-gulo ng plano. Kumbaga, Wala kang stable na decision dito. And of course, there's a spiritual teacher. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mo ng tulong ng mga spirituality, ha? Kasi para some of you, baka may gumagawa sa'yo ng di maganda para magulo yung plano mo, para hindi mo may sakatuparan, at the same time, there's a support, no? Sinusuportahan ka ng ating angel spirit. So, let's see what is the Archangel Raphael messages. And diet is important here. Kailangan mo din daw mag-diet. Baka some of you, baka malakas kumain, no? So, let's see what is energy. What is this energy? There's first chakra, Archangel Gabriel. Binibigyan ka ng intuitions, no? O binibigyan ka ng vibration or visions. So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. Ibig sabihin nito, the Comforter, which is the Holy Spirit, whom the Father will send you in my name. He shall teach you all things. Ibig sabihin dito, maraming instrumento sigad na ibibigay sa'yo, no? Maraming way para tulungan ka, para mag-evolve ka, or para ma-transform ka, or para mabago yung pananaw mo, or may bago yung mga pagkakaalam mo, or yung mga knowledge and thoughts mo. Kumbaga may mga taong magsisilbing instrumento sa'yo para tulungan ka at para turuan ka sa lahat ng bagay, no? So let's see what is the angel's number. Angel's number represent, there's a 30, I am imaginative. So, sinasabi dito, you are original, innovative thinker and excellence communicator, and you have a great talent for using creativity to convey your ideas and use your optimistic attitude as a lifted effect to other. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga mabilis ka makahawa, no? Ng mga magagandang eksena. So, sinasabi sa dito, minsan kasi nag-overthink ka, kaya nakakahata ka ng negativity. So, some of concern daw is optimistic. So, ibig sabihin dito, na pagdating sa mga bagay-bagay, positive lang sila, no? Minsan na talaga nakahatak lang sila ng kanigahan. So, what is the angel's number? There's a unity. Kasi there's a pagkakaisa. So, sinasabi dito, kailangan niya magkaroon ng pagbubuklod o pagtutulungan. No? Let's see. Today, I bring my attention into the present moment where I become one with my inner light. As I make these conscious connections, I find myself centered in my heart and begins to glow with my own divinity. Union with my inner light provides me with a wise and stable ways on from which I can live every day of my life. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga may magsisilbing kaliwanagan sa'yo sa lahat ng nangyayari sa buhay mo. Kumbaga sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na yung mga bagay na yan yung makakatulong sa'yo kung how to grow and how to expand. So sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, may mga pinagdadaanan ka lang na hindi kaya ng ikaw lang. So kailangan nyo na pagtutulungan at kailangan nyo na pagkakaisa with your own family. So guys, this reading is Seven Archangels urgent message for the sign of Cancerian. So, Cancer. Maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang samang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. So, ay pagpalaan kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik diglig nag-uuma po ang bumalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. And of course, comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo. Kung asa man kayo sulok ng mundo para sa susunod na reading natin, baka energy mo na ang masagap at mahagilap ng ating mga gabay. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye! And babush!